Hey guys, welcome to Na's Art and Craft. Today's video is not about DIY. Instead, I'm doing something different. I will do a welcome house decor. These are the things I'm using. You can use whatever is available, but LED lights and flowers are necessary. I will be using both paper and real flowers. So, I'm gonna start by decorating the doors with paper flowers. After that, I will decorate the corridor. These are one of the LEDs I'm using balloons for a fancy touch. I went to buy fresh flowers for a pretty touch. I arranged a bouquet and some flower baskets. I also added some lights on the railing, candle lights on stair steps. Look at this final look. I hope you liked it. See you in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.